Hey everybody, and again, welcome back to another episode of My Buddy the Lawyer. Again, I am Adam, I am your host, and I am also a licensed attorney. Now this week's question required me to do a little bit of research. But after some searching, I think we finally found an answer. The question is, what if you're renting from somebody and your landlord gets foreclosed on or otherwise kicked out of the property? And again, here's the scenario. You're renting an apartment, you're paying your rent. Then one day, all of a sudden you get a notice. The notice says that the bank is foreclosing on the apartment building or even on your apartment itself. So you call the bank up. You ask them what do you need to do.
Yes, hello?
Yeah, hi, banker?
No, that's Mr. Banker to you.
All right, Mr. Banker. I see you're foreclosing on...
I'm sorry, you'll have to speak up. I can't hear you over all my money.
I see you're foreclosing...
No, I'm sorry, you'll have to speak up again. I can't hear you.
You are foreclosing on my apartment.
A dozing compartment? Like a bed? No, I've got plenty, thank you.
Now the banker is clearly no help. So what can you do? Okay, relax. Don't worry. In most jurisdictions, you're protected. In most jurisdictions, if you're a tenant and you're renting from somebody who's being foreclosed on or otherwise kicked out of the property, your tenancy should not be affected in that apartment building. Now, what generally happens, assuming that the foreclosure goes through, is that the bank will take over the property. However, you'll be able to remain there. Really, the only thing that changes is the name that you put on your rent checks. Now, once the lease term is over, the bank will then have the option of either renewing your lease or terminating your lease, just as a landlord would. Again, in many jurisdictions, the lease will still govern. So any provisions that are in their lease with regards to terminating the lease, that will continue to apply. Again, it's usually a good idea for you to check with a lawyer licensed in your specific jurisdiction to check on the local laws. All right, I hope that helps. Thank you very much for your questions. Keep sending them to us via email, via Twitter, and via Facebook. Share our videos with your friends and family, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much, and take care.